That wouldn't have been big enough.
Nope.
Alright. First thing we gotta do, there's machines that clean squid, but they don't do a very good job. The best way to do it is clean them by hand.
So you guys hand clean all the squid?
Yes, everything's done as everything's hand clean. Alright, so we'll give you a
Slicker
what's your
suckers.
name?
Denise. I'm Allison.
Allison. Okay, so here's your squid. Alright, now you got the fins. Squid kind of can swim all directions. They kind of use jet propulsion. Best way to clean them is you gotta get your finger up inside the squid there first.
Why doesn't mine have the two pieces of them?
Yeah, you got two fins here. These are the fins, also called the wings. Okay? You can eat the wings.
Pull off of the skin though, right?
Pull off, yep. And
So you put your finger in
so the
there.
first thing is to try and grab as much of the guts as you can all at once. Alright?
What am I doing?
Squeeze the squid. Try and reach in there and squeeze it. Try and grab the squid by the head with your finger up there. Yep, with your finger up there.
right here?
Yeah, and then try and pull. So you want to try and pull out all the guts of this. I've done this a couple times. Alright, so then.
Oh, did I get it all?
Yep, pretty good.
Is this
good.
it?
Yeah, good.